Hello everyone. Today I'm going to introduce with a very wonderful option of Adobe Photoshop CC, and with that option you can create very wonderful designs, and the tool name is mixer brush. Okay, so how does it work? We are going to have a look. Just for an example, I have just taken an image, okay, from the internet, just for an example. So first of all, we are going to isolate this image from the background. Object selection tool and select subject. So for now we are not going into much detail about the selection, and simply creating a duplicate layer like this, okay, and create another layer that is a blank layer just beneath this card layer. Okay, now what we have to do, just go to mixer brush, okay, and first of all we have to adjust some settings of the mixer brush to get the desired output. So what we need to do, go to window, brushes, and setting, and from here you will select the hardness at 100% and the spacing at 1%. So there should be no spacing. I will show you both options, so basically you will come to know what is the significance of this percentage. So let's start with the 50%. Okay, select the mixer brush tool, and from here select dry heavy load. Okay, just increase the size of the brush. Okay, from here you can increase the size of the brush as well. Okay, and by selecting this card layer that we have isolated, okay, and click alt, press alt and click on the portion of the card that you want to use for creating an effect. Okay, and now going on the layer number 2, that is beneath the car layer, so that the effect will be created just beneath this car. Just create something like this, okay, like this. If you are not satisfied with the selection that you have made, click on new portion, okay, again coming on the layer number 2 and create something like this. Okay, now you can see that there is no smoothness in the stroke that we are making. So that was the significance of the spacing. Go to window, brushes, brush setting, and here select the 1%. So there should be no spacing between the strokes and it should be a smooth flow like this. Getting my point? Okay, now you can also increase the size of the brush. Okay, so just for the understanding, we can create things like this. Looks good to me. And just adding some shadows to this effect, click on the layer number 2, click on the thumbnail of it and select the brush, simple brush, okay, and reduce the size, reduce the hardness to 0. You can also adjust the opacity and flow accordingly, and just add some shadow to it to give it a very nice effect like this. I believe that this short tutorial will be very much fruitful to you in your design. Thanks for watching.